In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best robot vacuum cleaner and mop in 2026. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best robot vacuum cleaner and mop. Number 1, Roborock Qrevo Series Robot Vacuum and Mop, 8000 Pascals Hyperforce Suction, Smart Obstacle Avoidance, Anti-Tangle Brushes, Auto Mop Washing and Drying, all-in-one dock with self-empty and water refill, dual 200 revolutions per minute spinning mops. Black, QV35A, 8000 PA Hyperforce Suction delivers powerful vacuum performance to remove embedded dirt, debris, and pet hair across carpets, tile, wood, and upholstery. All-in-one docking station automatically empties dust into a 2.7L sealed bag, refills water from a 4L tank, self-washes, and dries the mop pads so the robot is always ready. Anti-tangle brushes, zero tangle asymmetrical side brush and full rubber spiral main brush help prevent hair wrap, ideal for pet owners. Dual 200 revolutions per minute spinning mops, high-speed rotating mop pads with 30 adjustable water levels scrub tough stains, while a 10mm auto lift avoids carpets and low-pile rugs. Smart Obstacle Avoidance reactive tech sensors help detect and navigate around furniture, cords, and common clutter. PreciSense LiDAR navigation, 360 degrees LiDAR mapping creates precise digital maps and supports multi-floor mapping. App and voice control customize cleaning routes and schedules via the Roborock app, compatible with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri shortcuts. Smart features, auto empty frequency adapts to usage, and the robot suggests no-go zones for better performance. Connectivity, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi support. The Roborock Qrevo QV35A is a smart robot vacuum and mop with 8000 Pascal suction and dual 200 revolutions per minute spinning mops for powerful cleaning. It features an anti-tangle brush, smart obstacle avoidance, and an all-in-one dock that automatically washes mop pads for easy, hands-free floor care. Number 2, ECOVACS DEEBOT X11 Pro Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop, 19,500 Pascals Suction, Self-Cleaning Roller Mop, Zero Tangle Brush, Auto Lift Mop for Carpet, Spill Protection, Gone Fast Charging, Smart Cleaning for Large Homes. A powerful 19,500 Pascals suction instantly removes dirt, dust, pet hair, and debris from carpets and hard floors for a deep, professional clean. Instant Self-Cleaning Roller Mop automatically washes and dries the mop after cleaning, keeping it hygienic and ready for the next use. Zero Tangle Brush design prevents hair wrapping and reduces maintenance, ideal for homes with pets. Auto Lift Mop for Carpet detects carpets and automatically lifts the mop to prevent wetting, ensuring safe carpet cleaning. Spill Protection and Smart Sensors detects liquid spills and obstacles to prevent accidents and optimize cleaning paths. Gone Fast Charging Dock rapid charging technology minimizes downtime, allowing longer cleaning cycles for large homes. Smart Home integration compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control and customizable cleaning schedules. Large home coverage, multi-floor mapping, and intelligent navigation efficiently clean every corner of your home. Upgrade your home cleaning routine with the ECOVACS DEEBOT X11 Pro Omni, a state-of-the-art robot vacuum. And Number 3, Roborock Q7M5 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop, upgraded from Q5 Max Plus, 10,000 Pascal suction, dual anti-tangle system for pet hair and carpet, PreciSense LiDAR navigation, app control, self-empty up to 7 to 9 weeks. Black, upgraded performance from Q5 Max Plus, enhanced suction, smarter navigation, and longer maintenance-free operation. 10,000 PA powerful suction effortlessly lifts dust, debris, and pet hair from carpets and hard floors. Dual anti-tangle system designed to prevent hair wrap, ideal for homes with pets and long-haired family members. Self-emptying dustbin holds weeks of debris, supporting up to 7 to 9 weeks of autonomous cleaning. PreciSense LiDAR navigation, accurate mapping for efficient cleaning paths, multi-floor mapping, and obstacle avoidance. App and voice control customize cleaning schedules, zones, and modes via Roborock app. Compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant. Pet and carpet friendly, adjusts suction automatically for carpets and handles pet hair without clogging. Stylish and durable. Black design, sleek, modern design that fits seamlessly into any home environment. Experience next-level cleaning with the Roborock Q7M5 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop, upgraded from the Q5 Max Plus for superior performance. With 10,000 Pascal suction and a dual anti-tangle system, it easily handles pet hair, debris, and Number 4, Roborock Saros 10 or Robot Vacuum and Mop, 22,000 Pascal suction, zero tangling, 3.14-foot ultra-slim, flexi-arm riser technology, corner and edge cleaning, self-emptying with hot air drying, black massive 22,000 pascal suction instantly removes dirt, dust, and pet hair from carpets and hard floors for a deep clean. Zero tangling technology prevents hair wrap on brushes, ideal for homes with pets. Ultra slim 3.14 design easily navigates under furniture and tight spaces for comprehensive cleaning. Flexi arm riser technology automatically adjusts mop height for carpet and floor, ensuring safe and efficient cleaning. Corner and edge cleaning special brush and navigation designed to clean hard to reach edges and corners. Self-emptying with hot air drying keeps the dustbin and mop clean, hygienic, and ready for the next cycle. Smart navigation and mapping efficiently maps your home for optimal cleaning paths and multi-floor support. Sleek black finish, modern, durable design that blends seamlessly into any home decor. Upgrade your home cleaning routine with the Roborock Saros 10 or Robot Vacuum and Mop, engineered for high-performance cleaning. With 22,000 pascal suction and zero tangling technology, it lifts pet hair, dirt, and debris effortlessly from both carpets and hard floors. The ultra-slim 3.14-foot design allows the Saros 10R to reach under furniture, while FlexiArm riser technology automatically adjusts the mop height when transitioning between carpets and floors. Its corner and edge cleaning system ensures no spot is missed, while the self-emptying dustbin with hot air drying keeps the mop clean and ready for the next session. Smart mapping and navigation make cleaning efficient, precise, and hands-free. Finished in sleek black, the Saros 10R is a powerful, elegant solution for busy households, especially those with pets. Keep your home spotless with minimal effort and maximum convenience. Number 5. Eufy Omni C20 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, all-in-one station, auto mop wash and dry, 7,000 pascal suction, self-emptying, hands-free cleaning, 3.35-inch ultra-slim. All-in-one cleaning station combines vacuuming, mopping, mop washing, drying, and self-emptying in one convenient system. Powerful 7,000 pascal suction effectively lifts dirt, dust, and pet hair from carpets and hard floors. Auto mop wash and dry automatically cleans and dries the mop after each use for hygienic, hands-free operation. Self-emptying dustbin reduces maintenance and allows for extended cleaning cycles. Ultraslim 3.35-inch profile easily navigates under furniture and tight spaces. Smart navigation and edge cleaning, efficient mapping and corner edge cleaning ensures no area is missed. Hands-free convenience ideal for busy households, minimizing effort while maximizing cleanliness. Sleek modern design blends seamlessly into any home decor while offering high-tech performance. Simplify home cleaning with the Eufy Omni C20 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, designed for hands-free convenience. The all-in-one station vacuums, mops, automatically washes and dries the mop, and self-empties the dustbin, making maintenance effortless. With 7,000 pascals powerful suction, the C20 efficiently picks up dust, dirt, and pet hair from both carpets and hard floors.